Impact.
Orchestrating rapper, ovulating matter, operating actors, overall anti-master, spider caster, web constructor, matter blaster, sideways speaking, closure captions, faster rapper crafter, mercurial assassins, never ever after, every utterances, elements of conflicts, remnants of instincts, weaponized subsonics that are in ordinary ordinance, driving perpetual dominance, broken knuckle, brick wall, punch drunk, upright speaker, prominent,
obnoxious obstacle, augmented monster, Dr. Trezor, Joseph Merrick. But my trunk's longer, my dust stronger. I'm Ox blood type astronomer, Hellfire walker, wings weightless, aerodynamic, surface impact, primarily target imposters. Boss of the office assigned to the X-rated paranormal cases, peculiar investigations, explaining the unexplainable to the untrained eye. Three-dimensionals, machine working expendables that believe God lives in the sky. I side with science fiction, evolution and theory, area impact, the reactive to surface, combustible powder, the breakdowns of neutrons and the subatomic particles of nucleus.
Switch ranges, holding thought bomb, detonator amazing, frequency phasing into the foreground, cross contagion, sometimes as simple as plans of plain sailing, plain-faced agents observe that you are failing, falling from the same tricks, stuck in the same rut, tried, tested and boring, you all come from the same cloth and I'm yawning. Open your eyes to this dirty bomb morning, nuclear sunrise, blind mind to light pouring, it's appalling, it's unending.
Impact everything. Impact influence, impact impression, impact coincidence, impact connecting, patterns and sequences, magnetic pull force, flow of the low frequency with secret society, shadow walking ether man. Here to defend the company. Company is everything, everything is company. Killed for the cause in the golden age of never wars. I'm out fighting better wars in September rains and picking up petal tops like she loves me or she loves me not.
I elevate 2 inches above the earth's surface, stand separate behind the scenery, you state certain, sit centered inventor of God's an illustrious purpose, mechanicalized verses, you're static and sanitized, you're dead man conversing, red hand reaching the future with curses, we strike pressure points of feeling and sureness, remorseless, our galleons set for courses for futurist centers, decimate defensive forces, tear down the perimeter walls with forces and scimitars, found wanting when measured in octaves and centimeters, shockwaves, break skin like insect feeders, raise the officer's banner and the empire of eaters completed.
Everything has impact, not everything has surface. Without meaning you don't hold purpose, then you're surplus to requirements. Eventually seen and not heard, dead legacy left silent. We fire mega lasers, never off target. We're the real extraterrestrial, no special effects. We were world of simian sambas, watchmakers, dangerously dabbling in battle-hardened Diablo threats. We're ahead of schedule, already finished albums we haven't started yet. The Ocean's own Galaxy Army veterans. Fuck first impressions, we're weapon heavy, devastating impact. Because
impact is everything. Impact is influence. Impact impression. Impact coincidence. Impact connections. Impact is everything. Impact is influence. Impact impression. Impact coincidence. Impact connections.